Have you ever wondered how some people seem to understand the market like a second language, making moves, managing risks, and growing their money all from their laptop or phone? What if you could do the same, starting right now, with no experience? The world of Forex trading might sound complicated at first, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we were going to break it all down into 7 easy steps that anyone can follow to get started the right way. Whether you're a student, working adult, or just someone curious about investing, this is your starting point. And with the help of Innohedge Limited, a trusted Forex broker, you'll know you're learning from the right place. The first thing you need to do is understand what Forex trading really is. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it's all about buying and selling currencies. Every time you travel and exchange your money into another currency, you've taken part in Forex even if you didn't realize it. Traders make money by guessing which currency will go up or down compared to another, and they use that to their advantage. But before you begin trading, you'll need the right knowledge, tools, and mindset. Next, it's time to choose a reliable Forex broker. This step is really important because the broker is like your gateway to the trading world. At Innohedge Limited, we make sure your trading experience is smooth, safe, and beginner-friendly. We offer the trading platform, tools, and support you need to get started and keep learning. A good broker will also be licensed and give you access to live charts, a demo account, and all the help you need to practice before using real money. Once you've picked your broker, you'll need to open a trading account. It's a simple process, just like signing up for any app or website. You fill in your details, verify your identity, and choose whether to start with a demo account or go straight into live trading. For beginners, the demo account is super useful. It lets you trade using virtual money so you can learn without risking anything at the start. Now it's time to learn the basics of how the market works. You don't need to be an expert in finance to begin, but you should know what affects currency prices. Things like news, interest rates, and even global events can change the value of a currency fast. Innohedge Limited provides free learning resources that explain all these in simple terms. When you understand what moves the market, you'll start making better decisions. After that, you'll need to choose your trading platform. This is the app or software you use to place your trades. Most brokers, including Innohedge, use platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5. These platforms come with charts, tools, and features that help you analyze the market and place trades easily. They might look confusing at first, but once you get the hang of them, they'll feel like second nature. Then, build a trading plan. This is where most beginners skip ahead. But having a plan is what makes the difference between random guessing and smart trading. Your plan should include how much money you'll trade with, how much risk you're willing to take, and what strategies you'll follow. A solid plan helps you stay calm and focused, especially when the market gets unpredictable. Finally, start trading and keep learning. No one becomes an expert overnight, and every successful trader starts as a beginner. The more you trade, the more you'll understand the patterns, movements, and reactions of the market. Innohedge Limited is here to support your journey, offering 24/5 expert help, daily analysis, and trading tools that grow with you. Every mistake is a lesson, and every win is a step forward. So now that you know the 7 steps, what's stopping you? Forex trading is not just for the pros, it's for anyone ready to learn, grow, and take that first step. With Innohedge Limited by your side, you're never trading alone. Let's start this journey together.